Hi Adventure family, how you guys doing today? My name's Sunnie Aria Rose and I'm your host. Say bye-bye.
We're back. It's
Reese
and Tamon, and today we're going to be adding a little addition to Sunnie's nursery. We're actually gonna paint a chalkboard. It's got some chalkboard paint here, Valspar black chalkboard paint. I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 coats just to make sure that it's good and thick. Hope you enjoy. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe so that you can catch our next videos and any videos that we put in the future. Also, go ahead and ring that bell so that you also notify when we drop our new videos, so you're always up to date with the latest Adventure Fam content.
say good morning vlog. Say good morning vlog. Say hi Adventure family, how you guys doing today? My name's Sunnie Aria Rose and I'm your host. See, look at my new hairstyle. Ooh. Ooh. Right? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, did you wrap it with plastic wrap like this?
Yeah, to keep it from staying from the paint. Why are you so judgmental?
I'm not judgmental towards you. Oh my God.
Don't say anything about my brush. That's exactly what you like to do. Why are you so judgmental?
I feel like I should have flushed it for you.
Is it crazy?
Yes, so cringy.
This is why I want tape, honey, and you laughed at me.
Muffin, you don't need tape. You just did it like that. You won't tell me don't talk about my brush strokes, or else I would have gave you some. I would have told you what to do from the beginning. Look how straight that is.
Well, you should have told me. You should have told me. My daughter has room to explore.
She's not even this tall. YouTube, Tamar really thinks that Sunnie is gonna be like 8 feet tall by the time she's 6.
You pretty like goddamn When I concentrate, my mouth is open. Use tape, guys.
You better not, man. You love the pants. Honey. Oh my God. These pants are bound to rip.
I totally understand. You gotta help her.
Absolutely. Yeah. For real. I'm like, it ain't for everybody. It's not.
This shit is not for the stay apart.
No, it is not. What? Like, you could totally, first of all, you can pass out from the pain from pushing, like while you're pushing.
Yeah.
And if you do that, like, you're putting you and the baby in danger. So, like, you shouldn't do it unless you really feel like you have the heart for it.
They did a study on, you know how people do like instead of going to McDonald's or something, just go to like TGI or something them to get full meal. They said it actually most times come out better calorie wise, like nutrition wise, going to McDonald's because there's so much other bullshit that goes into the other shit.
Really? I just really don't like McDonald's anymore.
Yeah, I just mean.
I just feel like I've always thought it was better quality than what it was. And maybe it was because I was a kid, you know, why I just really liked it a lot. But now,
but that's the thing,
like
right?
The junk of junks.
Yeah, because like kids like junk food, kids like shit sweet, kids like, you know what I'm saying, all this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So it makes sense that we were in love with. Like the first time I had a freaking McGriddle, cracked. These sugary ass soaked pancakes with sausage and cheese and.
See, I think that's why I like McGriddle so much because I recently had one for the first time.
I thought you were laughing at Sunnie. You laughing at me.
Yeah, because look at you on this ground.
Well, how did you paint the box?
Did y'all see this man? No, but I heard about it.
What do you think from what you heard? Is that something you want to watch to form your own opinion?
Yes, and also from what I watched, the people who actually watched the movie, they were saying it was supposed to be that provocative.
Yeah, it's supposed to bring your attention to
right.
it. So that's what I heard. And I heard the person that was talking about it, she was like, you know, the fact that y'all talking about it proves this movie's point.
Yeah. And it's not an American filmmaker. It's a European filmmaker.
Yeah.
Stop doing that, or I can't stay in here. That's the last technique of yours that I can.
Honey, how am I supposed to get the painting in?
Just when you do the second coat muffin, it'll get in there. It'll get in there.
Why can't
It'll get in there. Why? You can do this, but without me here. You can do it all you want.
Honey, why is that?
That literally makes me like cross my toes, like when you do that, like. Come on, son.
Sit your ass down. You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere.
I have to change it back.
Well, there's a whole changing station, right? Alright, Adventure Fam, now it's time for coat number 2. Okay, Adventure Fam, so the second coat is done. We like it, but let's go for a third. Maybe even a fourth. Just to see, you know, I want it to be like really like chalkboardy. And
I think a third will be good. I really don't think you need
a fourth.
I think you should save the fourth paint for like when you have to do touch-ups or something.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do one more and chalkboard finished. So the paint quality itself is really nice. This is after 3 coats. I was even thinking about going another 4th coat, but really was thinking that it's not that big of a deal. It's pretty black, pretty thick. I did write a little bit on here, and it did show pretty well. My one thing about it though is just like regular chalkboards, you're probably not gonna want to use like a actual chalkboard eraser because it's just gonna smear the chalk everywhere. What I found to be the best thing is to just take a damp cloth and just wipe it off. But yeah, there it is. Le chalkboard. The beautiful, beautiful mural in the baby room. Pay no attention to those clothes. We're actually putting those up now. And this is all our stuff. All right, later, Adventure fam. Bye.